Hi, I'm the girl he lives with. Welcome to Home Decor Sundays featuring Target Home Decor. Today's first decision isn't mine, unfortunately. It's one from the guy I live with, this rainbow thing. He said he would be so proud to have it, and he wants it hung. At first I said no. And he just freaked out and started running up and down the aisles, screaming I was denying his pride. I said, this doesn't work with my other design decisions, and he threw a fit and started punching the wall and yelling about potatoes. And I had to give in and put it in the cart. We don't have the money to start repairing walls at Target. We can't even afford paint for the apartment house walls. There are some really nice new shades of beige that would really pull the place together. But the biggest purchase so far has been a garden hose, and he couldn't even figure out how to make it work. I wonder if he's proud about that. So ladies, sometimes you need to make a design decision that's just for you. Something that will put a smile on your face. Like when the guy you live with is actually never around, but out cruising to the same places, sleeping in the same bed with his sister, or invited by his ex. I guess the guy used to be his roommate. And I guess he also wants one of the rainbow things for his place. Whatever, these are the times you need something for yourself. Here's a design decision that can work anywhere around the house, like by the couch or on your nightstand. If the rainbow thing can bring him excitement, just imagine all the possibilities you have here. When I'm not busy making design decisions, I also enjoy making meal planning decisions. And when I can incorporate design decisions with meal planning decisions, then there's never a bad decision. And luckily, Target can help with that. Here it is, the meal planning decision chalkboard. So, you can plan out your meals a week in advance and post it in the kitchen, so there are no surprises. And it gives my little guy some guidance.
I can't wait for Tuesday. I love tossed salad.
With marinara sauce?
Yes, juicy, juicy marinara sauce.
Well, you can have your waiter friend toss your salad.
I call him Prince Charming. He's such a stud muffin.
Next time you're at the restaurant, maybe he can take you in the back and give you a private lesson on how to toss a salad.
Nummy. So nummy.
Wait, why are you in here? I thought you said only one person is allowed in the editing studio.
This is my mom's apartment house, so I can break the rules.
Well, I'm still working on my design decisions. So why don't you go see your waiter friend and change your shirt? You look all sweaty now.
I've only worn this shirt for 5 days. You're dumb, just dumb. Okay, bye.
Sometimes in life, you need a little fantasy. Here's a bike for your wall. Just hang it somewhere and then sit and look at it, imagining being able to take that bike off the wall and get on it and just ride away. And forget it all, just give it all up and escape. No more 30-year-old man acting like a child and throwing tantrums. No more not being treated as an equal and having to park on the street. Just a future, one with a real man. And that's all the home decor design decisions I have for this week. Until next time, bye-bye.